Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of Action Center not opening on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. See, there is not much that you can do here because Action Center is a Windows application. So, first of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. It needs a few seconds, so we'll have to wait. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. If this doesn't help or if it doesn't show here, scroll down to the absolute bottom and you might find Windows Explorer in the background processes. And if that doesn't help, then straight away perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.